Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will give a complete information about the decision VTU has taken to promote the students without examination. Following are the points discussed in VC meeting with all the principals of engineering colleges. VC told, as per the guidelines of the UGC, AICTE and the state government, the VTU has decided to promote the students studying in 2nd, 4th and 6th semester of BE, BTech, B Plan, 8th semester BArch, 2nd semester MArch, MBA, MTech and 2nd and 4th semester MCA, MTech, that is part-time, without final examinations. VTU will process the results of these students based on the marks obtained by them in previous semesters and the current semester internal assessment. So 50% of the marks obtained in the previous semester and the 50% of the marks obtained in the internal assessment will be considered to calculate the results of the students who are studying in these semesters. Backlog students will have to appear for final examinations. All the students who have backlogs, they have to appear for offline examinations. There is no exemptions for those students. University will conduct the remaining examinations of first semester in offline mode from July 27. So there are some examinations are left for first semester. Those will be conducted starting from 27th July in offline mode. The 8th semester examinations of BE, BTech, B Plan, 4th semester examinations of MArch, MBA, MTech, 6th semester examinations of MCA are scheduled already, and the examinations will be conducted in offline mode with open choice question paper. Finally, project, seminar, internship and practical viva voce examinations will be conducted in online mode. So these are the points the VC has discussed with all the principals in yesterday's meeting. Also, the press release has been released by VTU, which is published in Deccan Herald, today's paper. For your reference, you can refer that also. Do share this video with all your friends so that they can prepare accordingly. Subscribe to the channel for more updates on VTU. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.